just remove the temp script because we don't want to commit that shit. And now the timelines. Git add the timelines and the meta. Let's go. And what is this? Project timeline settings. What the fuck is timeline settings? Timeline settings. I don't know who you are. I know what you are. Where did you come from? Sure, let's add it. Just who knows what it is. Okay. Git status. We don't have. So cutscenes, cutscenes, cutscenes. That's good. Well, scenes. Then scripts. Yep. Timelines, good. Yeah, okay. Git commit. Add skeleton for intro. Cool. Okay. Now we need to finish the loop. Let me just. Yep. Okay. So we have this make opening animation for the Peter starting the loop. So wake up, look around, look at the clock, start ticking, start the timer after animation is done. Yep. Ending loop that resets the game. Okay. So now we have ads. That's fine. Yeah, now we need to finish the loop. Now we need to finish the loop. So when the time runs out, what happens when the time runs out? Nothing. Nothing is happening. Should restart the level. I don't know where I want to put the logic for it. Okay, welcome back for Matt. I'm thinking about where to put the logic for restarting the loop after the timer runs out. Maybe here, maybe in the loop manager. We already have this in here, right? Who's using here? The temp, okay. So let's do that. Let's grab our timer. That on timer ended, add the start new loop. I cannot do this. Invoke. What am I? That's not how you do it. Plus equals that. That? No. What's the difference between the two? What's the difference between the two? Both are methods, both are void, no arguments. Is it because this is a public? No, it shouldn't be the case. Is it? Okay, fuck you. Okay. I guess fuck you. I don't know. Okay. So let's go here. Let it load. So let's start with a wait, we didn't finish it. All it does is just send the player to the we don't want to do that anymore. We want a sin loader singleton. Oh, but this is where it's gonna get hard coded. Okay, let's do it for now. Load first intro, first loop after intro. There we go. Probably should rename it to the exploration loop. Okay, let's try doing, so let's change the time here to like 20 seconds. Save that, run to the main menu, run the game, and let's see if the loop works. So start game, that was the intro. This is us waking up. Okay, there's the time, yada yada. We do the gameplay stuff. Wow. Where's the clock? Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, it seems to work. It seems to work. All right. Oh no. Okay. Very cute. Bloop. Where's the timeline? Give me the timeline real quick. The fuck is a control track? What the fuck is a control track? I've never seen this. Oh, wow. Playable track, control track. Cinema machine track. Scene Activision track. Wow. That's new. What is control track? Let's I don't remember it in Unity in the previous version. Unity 6 timeline control track. Controller lets you take control of time-related elements of game objects such as playable director or particle. Playable track allows you to trigger other timeline sequences. Okay, don't care about that. Driving Unity timeline is a versatile track used for controlling various elements within your timeline sequence. It allows you to schedule sub-timelines, control programs. Prefabs and script implement the iTime control interface. Interesting. Okay. Sure. That's not what I need, but okay. I need an activation track. Well, actually, yeah, what if I do this? Isn't it gonna be active? Start the game. Yeah, okay, so it's active now. You see the space to wake up. Press it and it disappears. That's fine. Wow. I'm in. Three, one, bap. What? Oh, that's fine. Nice. Okay, so now what? So we have that. We have the loop. So we finished this. I guess. I guess we can patch stuff. Okay, yeah, I do want to work on the controls. Right now I have two sets of controls for a first person and third person. They're pretty much, they should be the same thing, to be honest. They should be related to each other, but right now they're not. Right now I have two players, two cameras, two controllers, and I don't want that because in the game you will be swapping between first and third. I don't know how often, but I'm pretty sure we can combine the two. Right, let's open this player and this player components and see what's the difference between the two. Actually, let's commit first. Let's do this. Git add this guy. And this. And we don't need the change here because all we did was to change the number from 241 to 20. That's it. What are these? Oh, that's the playable director. Maybe we do need to submit it. Sure. Yeah, but let's fix this to 241. Status git add the scene, git commit, add loop restart logic on Timer running out. Okay. Okay, now let's look at these two. Also, I don't want to do it on the exploration one. Let's go to the sample scene. There we go. All right, so these two controllers. What's the difference between you two? It has to be a difference. The question is how much. Character movement, character movement, character, character. These are all the same. There is some, well, there's some changes in these. That's fine. Main camera, main camera. So this is the big difference. This has the third-person controller component. This has the first-person controller component. That's it. And of course, some changes with these. Gravity scale, for some reason, the jump. Well, jump we're not gonna have in the game. Yeah, some changes in here. Not too many. Why does this has ground friction of 16 and this one of 8? This is the first person. That's so weird. It has a faster rotation rate. Use when rotation mode is oriented to movement or cute. Walking. I don't know if I want to deal with it now. Yeah, and these are changed. These needs to be changed, or these needs to be synced, because this is the character, like the radius of the character, the height, and stuff like that. All right. I don't really know what to do. This was actually much. This was much faster than I expected. So why didn't I do this yesterday? It only took me what? 2.5 hours? God damn. Who's throwing? Who's that? Is that Dreamer? Is that you? By the way, now the ducks go all the way to the screen. So the breadcrumbs should be more accurate now with the clicks. Previously, it was not on the entire screen, so there was a little misalignment, I think. Where is it? Boop. So like if this is the screen, previously the ducks would run on a portion of the screen. So it would misalign any clicks that you did. So if you clicked here, it would like come up here. If you clicked, let's say here, it would come up like somewhere here. And now I changed it so the ducks are on the entire screen. So there is shouldn't be any issues with the breadcrumbs like spawning off, a bit off, hopefully. Okay, what's next? So we have that, we have this. I guess we can start with the interactables. Or we can start on the intro cutscene. Or do some work on the house. What do you guys want? Do we have ads? No. Okay. Hey, Razin. I just finished making this skeleton, bare bones and logic for starting the game from the main menu to the game loop and the loop resetting. So let me show you. This is my amazing loop. That's a house. Not a skeleton. So this is my amazing no-name game. You click here to start. That was the cutscene, the intro cutscene. And now we get to here. So this is going to be like the character is waking up, gets up, sees the clock, and the game starts. And when the time runs out, it restarts the scene. So you wake up again, the clock starts at 4 minutes and all of that. No, no, no. Okay. Sort of like a Groundhog Day, something like that. Yes, yes. We're gonna have a time loop in the game, but no, I fell down. You like the huge clock? Nice. We need to make it. What is this? What are you? What is that? Oh, that's the event system. Oh my god. Where's the house? Oh, this is the main menu. Okay. Yeah, the clock is gonna be there as it's not gonna be very much part of the gameplay. It's more like an ominous thing on the wall. Okay, we can continue working on the house. There's still a shit ton to do with you. Did we do anything? Good. Okay. Let's push this. Yeah, we can open up Sims and start working on the house again. At least build, make doors. We can make doors. There's first floor has 1, 2, 3, 4 doors. So we're going to have to do things that slowly change every time it resets. Stanley. I've never played Stanley Parable, but yes, every time, not every time, but yeah, the loops are gonna be a bit different. It's a story-driven game, so it's gonna be linear. I don't know how Stanley Parable is doing it, but yeah, it's very surreal in a Majora's Mask Moon kind of way. I don't know what that is either. What is that? It was great. Check it out for inspiration if needed. It's a great time loop. I've seen Fox Hollow Games playing it. Maybe I even have it. The demo is free. Lowest recorded price is $2. Legend of Zelda Majora's Mask. Okay, we're always under the timer, and the moon just gets closer and closer to remind you. Pending doom. Legend of Zelda Majora's Mask. That's super creepy. Just every time the game resets, it starts over again, but sometimes other things are slightly different. I can take different paths and slowly unravel the story. Interesting. I should take a look at this. I heard that this game is very, very good. So, wait, is this one, or am I confused? Yeah, it is. Yeah, get the definitive edition if you do. There are additions to these games, of course, of course. There's expanded endings. It's very good. Yeah, I heard that it's very good. Ultra Deluxe Edition. Oh my god. Ultra Deluxe. Oh my god. That's crazy. But that's a different developer. That's a different developer. I don't know what edition is even meta on the state of the gaming industry. And the beginner's guide. What's the beginner's guide? I read another video game from Davey Redden. I guess it's a name I'm supposed to know. The creator, the creator of Stanley Zero. It lasts about an hour and a half and has no traditional mechanics, no goals or objective. Instead, it tells the story of a person struggling to deal with something they do not understand. Cute. That's very interesting. Anyway, anyway, what are we doing? Yeah, the Ultra Deluxe. Yeah, I always found it funny. All these season pass, Ultra Deluxe season pass, Gold Edition pass, Game of the Year pass. Like, what are all these? Okay, so yeah, I guess we're gonna open Blender and do some doors. Boop, boop. I need to figure out how I'm gonna organize the house, the game. Yeah, a joke. I've not bought the Hitman game because it has 10 editions and I can't be asked to actually see which one. I actually bought the. Speaking of Hitman, can you close this? No. Okay. Where are you coming from? Nice. Good job. There you go. I actually bought the Hitman collection, but not the new one. The old Hitmans. The 2007, I think. This bundle, I think. Yeah, all of these. It was like $5 during the winter sale. I'm like, we're gonna buy it and we're gonna play it on stream, and we never did. And I don't think we will. I don't think we will. Anyway, World of Assassins. And then deluxe pack. Well, there's an assassin bundle thing. Above that, there's a part 1 and with part 2. Start pack. Oh my god, standard edition. So let me buy the. Yeah, I know. It's yeah, the new Hitman. The instead of doing a standard storyline mission game, they decided to do like it's separate stories, separate missions and whatnot. Destroyer of Titans. Welcome in. Thank you for the follow. Okay, where's Blender? There you go. All right, we're working on the house. Also, we're about to have ads, but there you go. Actually, no, hide it. All we're gonna do today, or I don't know if today or not, whatever. All we're gonna do is add doors to the house. We need to add 3 more doors to the first floor. So first of all, I need to sneeze. Okay. Now let's work on this. So first of all, we can remove this wall and we can extend you uh, like that, right? So we don't need you there. So that's one. Second of all, how big are doors? I guess we can use this size. What size are you?